Welcome everyone to vlog number 2, and it is getting real. I'm a little bit on edge because I thought I would be done with this look, but I'm still working on it, which is fine. But I wish I would be done with this one already so I could work on the next look. So right now I'm just working on the mesh pieces of my first look, and that's just for the arms and for the legs. So I'm just making sure everything fits, sewing it on the lowest tension possible so that way it doesn't gather too rough, and that it's easy for me to take out as well. And the lowest tension on this machine is 0, keeping the stitch distance the same, but you know just doing what you got to do. And I'm sorry if I have a list because I have my retainers on, so right here we're just cutting out my legs. And don't be afraid, my legs are not that huge. Or maybe they are. I got a little, what they call it? What they call? I got a dump trunk in the back. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so this is just me pinning everything. But that's basically it. Once I pin those together, I sew the front and back together. Just to get a gist of how I want it to look. But later on, I'm going to like take it in more because obviously I know it's not going to fit me. But I'll see you guys later.